Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Accountit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button at the top of the screen in the left side corner. Then as you scroll down, you can find this Touch ID section. So if you want to turn it on, tap on this button next to it, meaning that you need to add your Touch ID in order to open the application. As you can see, you need to add it to unlock your data. So now it is set. If you want to enable it, you should come back to this section and just simply tap on the button next to it. When it is turned to gray, it means that it's turned off, and when it's turned on, it's blue. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.